When we want to repeat some statements again and again in the program, we are using loops. While loop. Let me explain while loop with an example. We have a variable I. I will assign value 0 to I. Now we will enter the loop. Before entering the loop, it checks for a condition. That is why while loop is also called as entry control loop. Here value of I is 0, condition is I less than 4. So 0 less than 4, condition is true. If the condition is true, next statement will be executed. What is the next statement? Cout I. We are printing the value of I. Value of I is 0. That will be printed. After printing the value of I, next statement is I plus plus. Incrementing the value of I by 1. I is 0. That will be incremented to 1. Again it will go to while loop. Again it will check the condition. Value of I is 1, that is less than 4. So condition is true. What is next statement? The value of I will be printed. Value of I is 1, that will be printed. After printing value of I, next statement is I plus plus, incrementing the value of I by 1. I becomes 2 now. Again we have to check the condition. 2 is less than 4, that is true. If the condition is true, we have to print value of I. Value of I is 2. Next we are incrementing value of I. I becomes 3 now. Again we have to check for the condition. 3 is less than 4, that is true. If the condition is true, we have to print the value of I. Value of I is 3. 3 will be printed. After printing value of I, next we have to increment the value of I. I becomes 4. Again we have to check the condition. Value of I is 4. 4 is not less than 4. Condition is false. If the condition is false, the control will come out of while loop. Now we will convert this into programming concept. Value of I is equal to 0. Then we have while loop. While I less than 4. This is the while block. Inside while block we have two statements. First one is cout I end L. We are printing value of I. I will explain what is end L. End L represents end of the line. Next statement is I plus plus, incrementing value of I by 1. Let's make some columns. The first column we will write the values of I. The next column we will check whether value of I is less than 4. If it is true, we have to write true. If it is false, we have to write false. Then we are printing value of I. Then we are incrementing value of I. We will make 5 columns. Initially value of I is 0. 0 less than 4, that is true. Next we have to print the value of I. So value of I is 0, 0 will be printed. Then we have end L, end of the line. This line ends over here. Next value will be printed in the next line. I plus plus, I becomes 1. Now value of I is 1. 1 is less than 4. The condition is true. Next we have to print the value of I. We are printing 1. 1 is printed in the next line because we have end L, end of line. After printing the value of I, that line will end there. Next value will be printed in the next line. For that reason we are using end L. Then I will be incremented to 2. The value of I is 2 now. 2 is less than 4. Condition is true. Next we are printing value of I, that is 2. After that we will increment the value of I to 3. Value of I is 3 now. 3 is less than 4. Condition is true. We are printing value of I, that is 3. 3 will be printed. I will be incremented to 4. Value of I is 4 now. 4 is not less than 4. Condition is false. Now we will end the while loop. If the condition is false, control will come out of while loop. Values of I are printed as 0, 1, 2, 3 in different lines because we are using end L after printing each value of I. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.